Midmark 630 Human Form Procedures Table. Base Actuator Replacement. Remove the bottom shroud screw from each side of the table. Stretch a bungee cord across the top of the base column. Lift the shrouds, then attach the bungee cord hooks. Raise the base high enough to insert the scissors lockout bracket between the center rungs of the scissors assembly. Lower the base enough to secure the lockout bracket in place. Disconnect electrical power from the table. Remove 3 screws, then lift the PC board cover from the base. Note, the wire connections and the wire routing must be put back in the original locations before installing covers. Disconnect wire connections J6 and J7 from the power supply PC board and remove cable ties. Remove 2 mounting screws securing the ball nut assembly to the crossbar. Manually rotate the ball nut assembly to the bottom of the actuator shaft. Remove 2 screws, retaining plate, and the actuator pin. Then, remove the base actuator. To install the new actuator, insert the actuator shaft through the hole in the crossbar. Position the bottom of the actuator with the actuator pin in the slot located in the base. Then, manually rotate the ball nut assembly to the top of the actuator shaft and secure with 2 screws. Install the retaining plate and secure with 2 screws. Note, the wire connections and the wire routing must be put back in the original locations before installing covers. Connect wire connections to J6 and J7 on the power supply PC board. Then, secure the wires with cable ties. Reconnect power to the table. Raise the base high enough to remove the scissors lockout bracket. Lower the base and reattach the table shrouds. Disconnect electrical power from the table. To calibrate the table, move S2 switch number 4 to the on position. Then, reconnect power to the table. When the digital display darkens, press and release switch S3. During the calibration procedure, you will hear a steady pattern of beeps. The table will run all functions to their minimum and maximum positions, and then return to a lowered, flat position. When calibration is completed, the table will stop moving and you will hear 3 short beeps. To exit calibration mode, disconnect power from the table. Move S2 switch number 4 to the off position. Reinstall the PC board cover and secure with 3 screws.